Multiply 17 by 430 using long multiplication. Since the order of the factors does not change the product, write 430 on top and 17 on the bottom to use fewer partial products. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3 is 21. Put 1 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 30. The first partial product is 3010. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. The second partial product is 4300. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 1 plus 0 is 1. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the thousands column, 3 plus 4 is 7. The product of the whole numbers is 7310. So 17 times 430 is 7310.